I think when we think of contracts with the government, a lot of the time we're thinking that is only the domain of big companies. But for what you've described, there are opportunities for small business.
Yeah, I think that that's just a misconception that people have is they assume they don't actually do the research, which is strange to me because all of us have in our hands the most powerful computer that we've ever had, that we've been on Earth, and we don't use it to do research. So I encourage all the listeners, this is very easy to do. You have AI, you've got Grok and ChatGPT and these different AI platforms or LLMs. You can literally say inside the LLM, hey, I'm a vendor that provides blah, 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 blah services. Okay, what US government installations around me are likely to buy those services? And just put it in chat.
So the research is so much easier these days because we've got, as you said, it's in the palm of our hands.
Right.
We've got supercomputers there and the technology now, particularly with AI, to do that heavy lifting on the research.
Correct.
So that's the first step, I guess, is identifying which government departments exist nearby that I can supply to.
Yes. Yeah, exactly. And so I'm more here to bring awareness to everyone, right? So I want to bring awareness to your audience that this exists. In fact, we actually need more businesses supporting the US government, to be honest with you. I think all government needs more small and medium businesses supporting it. But I know particularly where we're at in the United States, our industrial base is shrinking, and we have not done a good job of encouraging younger business owners to come in and support this marketplace. When people think about the government, I understand they only get their feed from the news. So they only think about, right, the things that are happening up in Washington, the politics of it all, but not actually supporting the mission. And so for me, Paul, I believe in supporting the mission of doing good work for a lot of people. And so that takes all of us, not just a few of us.